Today we're using our Xtreme Ceramic VDW 815 two-component resin joint material. It is made by GFTK, a German company, imported by our general importer PHNA. Like I said, two-component, 22-pound bucket, packaged like this. The one component is already mixed into the sand. The second component is our activator in this little bottle. We'll mix that together and create a slurry that'll go right into these joints. It's designed for 1/8" joints or bigger. First thing I need a hose. I need the appropriate mixer. In this particular job, we're just using the 22-pound units. So just a regular 18-volt drill with the appropriate auger mixer or a paddle mixer works great for mixing. We need a squeegee for our first pass, a coarse broom for our first sweep, a softer broom to finish up. And last but not least, in some situations I like to have a horsehair broom for my final sweep. Not every job, but on a job like this with a smooth surface, I do believe I'll be using my horsehair broom. So we're going to mix this for about 15 to 30 seconds. Then we add the component B, the activator. You see that nice creamy mix with a white foam? That's what you're looking for. I just want to make sure my area is nice and wet and clean. Always treat two components with a measure of respect. You want to make sure that you're not walking around in this product and then walking on adjacent surfaces. I'm adding a little water to make this more flowable. Taking my squeegee, squeegeeing it into the joints. Two-component resins are chemically activated, so while water does help resuscitate this product just a little bit, it will not last forever. In about 10 minutes, that advantage is gone, if you will. It will set up. Next step is to take my coarse broom, my first sweep broom, and get the joints where I want them. Working a little bit of product into some of those border joints. In this particular project, we're working with a very smooth stone. So we want to try to fill the joints full. In some cases, when you're working with a paver that has a chamfered edge, you want to kind of try to keep the joint down a little bit. So every stone is a little different in how you finish it. I'll be going after these grains of sand with our second sweep broom, and I will also be using a little bit of water to rinse everything off. I'm ready to hit this with my second sweep broom to get the surface clean. This happens about 10 to 20 minutes after your first sweep, depending on the weather. The sunnier and the hotter the weather is, the quicker you'll need to clean the surface. On some jobs, I like to use a horsehair broom at the end as opposed to my softer poly broom that I was using. Reason being, on a smooth surface, this horsehair broom does a better job in taking off the final grains of sand.